we can start. Okay.
I think XAP is the system application processing. It's an ERP software.
Mm-hmm.
It is based on IT accounting.
Okay.
And it can, we are studying about SAP on HANA. HANA means, I think it's pronouncing as HANA.
Okay.
So it will be more faster than traditional SAP.
Okay.
I have just searched in ChatGPT a lot about this course. So I have great passion about it.
Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
So you have searched about SAP. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're right. Okay. You know some words. Okay. So that
Yeah.
what are those words? What are
It's
actually
based on finance and accounting, I think.
based on finance and
Accounting.
accounting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. 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 Let's just discuss about. My screen is visible to you, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. It's properly visible.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll start with the introduction. Okay. Ki what is SAP and everything. Okay. So
Okay.
SAP stands for
Is
system.
this, can I ask you a doubt? This section is recording. So if I'm not available on any day, then what will happen?
What? What did you say?
Every section is recording, no? So recorder section is available or not?
Recorded. You will get the recording, right?
Uh,
The sessions will be recorded, so you will get the recording. Okay.
okay, okay, okay. Thank you so
I
much.
usually don't use Zoom much. Okay. So I don't
Okay,
know procedure about Zoom. What you do, will shift to the Skype. Basically, Skype will be much more friendlier to use. Okay,
okay,
because you will get all the notes and everything and the recorded lecture also in the same chats.
okay.
So that will be more helpful like this.
I'm not in Skype. I will join on it if it is
Uh,
needed. I'm not in Skype. I will join it in if it is needed.
yeah, no, I was if you're comfortable with Zoom, you know how the Zoom will work. Okay, so
Yeah.
we can continue on the Zoom also from the next
Okay.
session
Okay.
because I am more friendlier with the Skype. So I said ki Skype is more convenient to use. So if
Okay.
possible, you can create one Skype account like this and I add me there. So that will be
Okay.
easy to us to communicate and to do the sessions because all
Okay.
the recording will be in the chat. You can see this basically.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
I
so this is
understood.
more friendlier for me to use it or access it compared to
Okay.
Zoom. So
Okay.
if you are comfortable with the Zoom, that is okay. If you are comfortable with Skype, that is also okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now can we start?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now the introduction I am going to give you, like what is the definition actually that we will say. So SAP stands for System Application and Product in Data Processing, developed by ex-IBM engineers in 1972. So basically, SAP stands for System Application and Product in Data Processing. It's a software that will help you to do the data processing of your day-to-day activities. SAP is a German software. Okay, it is a
Okay.
German
Okay.
software in Waldorf is city. It is a city name where headquarter is located. Okay, in Germany, Waldorf headquarter is located. This software is developed in 1972. Was developed in 1972 by ex-IBM engineers. Okay,
Yeah.
this software is based on the R3 system. Now, what is R3? That we will discuss below point. Okay, in coming topic, we are going to
Okay.
discuss on R3. So basically, it is a R3 system and it is a business software package that is integrated all area of businesses. Okay, means companies have so many departments. Okay, purchasing
Okay.
department, sales department, HR department, finance department, right? There are so
Yeah.
many departments, right?
Yeah.
So what SAP is doing, SAP is integrating all the department at one place. Okay,
Okay.
So all department can work on one single software. So that
Okay.
is what SAP is doing. So SAP working on RC system, that is a business software package that helps the organization, or that the software is designed to integrate all area of businesses. Okay. So
Okay.
this solution can be provided. So SAP is providing you end-to-end solution. Okay,
Okay.
starting to the end, all the work you can do on the SAP. Okay, for any kind of industry can use SAP, like financial, manufacturing, logistic, distribution, etc. Any industry can implement SAP in their organization. Okay, so
Okay.
SAP provides end-to-end solution to all the industries. Then all the business processes are executed in one SAP system, and that share the information with everyone. Means, as I told you, all department are together at the one place. So when any activity happens in the system or in the organization, that common information will be shared with each department. Understood? Because they all are using same software. What Why this cannot happen in other software?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know any other ERP software.
I think Tally is a ERP software.
Yeah, Tally is the ERP software.
Then Microsoft
Why?
Dynamics 365.
Yeah,
Is it?
that is also ERP software.
Uh,
So what you're saying, those are going to help you to manage accounting details. Okay, accounting
okay.
data. Tally will help you to manage accounts. Dynamic 365 also able to manage some kind of accounting stuff. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
but I'm talking about other departments also. Okay,
Okay.
so not all the softwares are able to manage all your department. Okay, so there are
Okay.
very less softwares who are give you the complete end-to-end solution. Okay, because
So, can I ask a doubt? Other departments includes manufacturing, logistic, distribution, etc. No?
yes,
Okay. Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Tally is only for financial.
yes,
Okay. Okay. That is the difference.
yeah. So like this, you have other software also. You will see Zoho, right?
Okay.
Zoho is one of the ERP software. They have Zoho is a company who have different softwares for each activity. Zoho for CRM, Zoho for HRM, Zoho for finance, right? Zoho for production planning. So they don't have one integrated software. They don't
Okay.
have one software for all the solutions. They have different solutions.
Okay.
Understood. So that's the difference between other companies and with the SAP. When any company implements SAP in their organization, all the business process can be managed by a single software. They don't
Okay.
need to rely on any other software. Means one software is enough to manage all your business process.
Okay.
Understood. So that's the major difference between SAP and the other software. Then, so this is the basically, if you combine all these point together, it is your definition. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then what is S4HANA? You just said this word.
Yeah.
So S4HANA basically our latest version. Okay.
Okay.
That we are going to use for day-to-day activities, or we can say it is a latest or upgraded version that companies also using currently. Nowadays they are
Okay.
using to manage their day-to-day activity or transactions. Okay. So it is kind of, our mobile also have versions, different versions, right? Every new year you will see different version is coming, new updates are coming, right? So
Yeah.
same goes with the software also. Okay, so softwares are also coming with the new updates, new features, because if they don't come up with the new updates, the software will become outdated. Understood?
Okay.
And
Okay.
companies or the clients will switch to the new softwares that those are more updated, more advanced, right? So SAP is also constantly updating himself so that software will be more relevant, more industry ready, or market relevant. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so the latest version is SAP S4HANA. So S4HANA is the version name. Okay. Then the HANA, this word you see in the version HANA. So HANA is basically a database name.
Okay.
You know what is database means?
Database means I think the uh, we can store data in it.
Yeah, correct. You can store the data in it. So database as are generally used for to storing the data. So same way, SAP's data is also going to store in the HANA database. Okay.
Okay.
So the database SAP uses, its name is called HANA. Okay. So
Yeah.
this version S4 HANA or the soft database HANA is developed in 2015. Okay.
Okay.
So they launched this version and database in 2015. But initially, what was happening before this S4 HANA, the older version used to run on any third party database. Okay. Like Oracle, IBM, DB2. Okay. So SAP's software used to run on any database. Now in 2015, they launched their database called HANA. Okay, and they expected to market will get shipped to their database, but market didn't ship to their database. They were still using their old databases. Okay,
Okay.
so they were facing some problem or challenges. So what they did, they launched their version called S4 HANA. Okay, so this S4 HANA only runs on the HANA database. That
Okay.
S4 HANA only supports HANA database. Okay,
Mm.
because S4 HANA and HANA both together when comes, the software will become more faster, more what we can say more futuristic and more
Yeah.
fast
Yeah.
and rapid to use. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's why to take the better advantage of the HANA database, SAP have launched their S4 HANA. So it is also called as Suite for HANA. Understood?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's the all about S4 HANA. I hope you understood. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I understood.
Now ERP. Let's try to understand ERP. What is ERP? You know, right?
Enterprise resource planning.
Enterprise resource planning. Okay. So to run the business, there are lot of resources are there. Lot of
Yeah.
resources we need also, and there are lot of resources that company uses also in their day-to-day activity. So if we don't manage all the resources properly, the company will face the losses. Correct?
Yeah.
To manage all the resources efficiently or to utilize the resources properly, company needs the ERP softwares.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
what is ERP means enterprise resource planning. So this ERP software help you to manage your resources, plan your resources more efficiently, more productively, and more effectively, so that your organization will become more profitable. Understood? So
Yeah.
enterprise not only runs on the resources called money, right? If you manage
Yeah.
your money properly, it doesn't mean your business will become profitable. Only managing one resource will not giving or going to become your business profitable, right? You have to
Yeah.
manage your other resources also, like
Yeah. Yeah.
human resource also you have to manage, sales also you have to manage, your production you also, that also you have to manage, right? So other
Yeah. Yeah.
resources equally you have to manage properly. That's why SAP will help you to manage that all equally efficiently basically. Understood?
Sales and production are the other resources. Am I right?
Sales is the resources, money is the resource, main money, material, management, marketing, method, all are
Oh,
resources. Okay, that you
okay.
see. All the things that you see, you are from commerce student, you know how businesses run. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Businesses not only runs by money, businesses run by other resources also. Okay. So all the
Yeah.
resources that you see, marketing is also very important part. Human resources also very important part. Machines are very important part. Material is also important part. So all these things are very important to manage. Okay, if you don't
Yeah.
manage, the company will not be profitable. Okay, to
Yeah.
become
Yeah. Yeah.
profitable you have to do, or company will implement ERP software. So that's the motto of ERP software will help you to manage all your resources in an effective manner. Okay,
Yeah.
that's the motto of ERP software. So any software that you see managing any one of the resources, that is also ERP software. Any software like software you see that is managing or that is helping you to manage human resources, so is it ERP software or not?
ERP software.
It is ERP software because human resource is a, it is a resources. Okay, so it is
Yeah.
also ERP software. Any software that you see helping you to manage your production, that is also ERP software. Okay, so
Yeah.
if it is solving one problem, that is also ERP software. Understood?
Yeah. Yes.
So you have now. got the clarity about ERPs. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what is SPRO? Now this point I will show you on the software. Okay. When I will give you the overview about software, that time we will discuss about this point SPRO, and same
Yeah.
with this SAP reference IMJ, because this
Mm.
2 point I will directly show you on the software. Okay. So that time
Okay.
you will get it better.
Yeah.
Okay. Because now if I tell you now, you might get confused. Okay.
Yeah.
Now ID is this word also you might see on your server. Okay. Now what is IDs? IDs means International Demonstration and Evaluation System. It is basically a demo software.
Okay.
Demo, you can say practice. It is another name is sandbox.
Sandbox. Okay.
Yeah. So basically all are same. Some people call it IDs server, some people call it demo server, practice server, or sandbox server. Basically this is all are same. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So for the practice purposes, we use these servers. Okay. So this
Yeah.
is provided by SAP only to practice. Okay, practice the software. So this is a
Okay.
practice version. It is a free version basically, not a free version. Basically, it is a practice version, but again they have some charges. Okay, but there are some licensed version
Yeah.
and there are some practice versions basically. Okay, so practice
Yeah.
version are for practice purposes and license version are for companies. Okay, companies who
Okay.
want to implement in their organization, so they will purchase the license version that comes up with some huge fees, huge cost. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So now which industries can implement SAP in their organization? So every industry, you name it, all the industries can implement the SAP in their organization. Okay, so
Mm.
I will share this note so you can go through it.
Mm.
Then SAP have classified their modules into different types: functional module, technical module. Okay, so
Yeah.
functional modules are FICO, MM, PP, SD, PM, QM, HRM, and CRM. These all are functional modules. Okay, technical
Okay.
modules are ABAP, XI, Basis, NetWeaver, BIW. These are all technical modules. Okay,
Okay.
why functional are called as functional? Because these modules have these modules will use existing setting from the system. Okay,
Okay.
existing setting or standard settings. Okay, means basically the settings are already given. It is like
Okay. Okay.
when you purchase the mobile phone, right? Okay, so
Mm.
any new mobile phone you purchase, so you see that mobile is default, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That
Yeah.
mobile doesn't have any information, right? So
Yeah.
what, like if I give you one task to, like I want you to ask change the wallpaper, so what you will do, you will go to the settings and
And
you will see
change it.
where the wallpaper setting are and you will change it. So
Yeah.
that activity is going to means that
Use
activity,
existing setting
yeah, so
from the
that activity
system.
will be used by the existing settings, standard settings.
Yeah.
So that
Um.
is called as functional activity. So
Okay.
basically these all the modules have their existing settings. Okay, like FICO. So all the settings that we need to manage the finance and controlling. So like creation about GL account, asset account, or related to the taxes, like a GST setting, TDS setting, all are already in the system. It is already stored. But
Yeah.
we just need to know that where that setting are located, how to use that setting. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why,
Mainly are we using finance and control or all these topics?
sorry,
Mm.
ask
Uh,
properly.
Actually, the name of the course is SAP Figure, no?
Hmm.
So we concentrate on finance and control or other departments.
We are going to learn FICO. Okay.
Yeah.
So, so we are going to focus on our module only. You can't
Okay.
be an expert of all the modules. You have to be
Okay.
expert of one of the module.
Okay.
Okay. because all modules required expertise. Okay.
Yeah.
At the same time, you can't be the expert of all the modules.
Okay.
Okay. So by one, if you are more interested in SAP, one by one you can learn it. Okay.
Okay.
One after another.
So other departments are other courses, no? SAP MM, SAP BP.
Yeah, these are other modules. Every module have
So
different
other ones.
consultant.
So we are studying about finance and control only.
Yes.
Okay.
For that only you enroll, right?
Yeah.
So every because all are very vast modules. It is not like in 2 weeks you can learn.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
All are deep. All need to be person should be interested in that also. If you are not interested in production planning, you will not get those things because it will be too technical for you to understand. Okay,
Yeah.
from what is the quality, like there are some piping material. So how the chemical will be calculated, how much production you can make from that chemical. Okay, so to plan those things, that will be more complicated for you if you are not interested in that.
I have interest in finance and control.
Yeah, I'm just explaining you. See,
Yeah,
every
yeah.
module have some expertise. Okay, people who
Mm,
are interested in those modules, those prefer that. Okay, as you are
okay.
interested in FSUs, that's why you enroll.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
So I'm talking about the setting related to our module or all these modules you see here, all all are already in the system. Okay, so in this
Okay.
training, we are just going to explore those settings, where those are located and how to use that so that we can set up that for our client. Okay,
Okay.
because
Okay.
as I told you, the software will be default. Okay, when any
Yeah.
company purchases software, that will be default. That will be not as per the client requirement. Okay, let's
Okay.
frame it like this. Like example, somebody purchases the mobile phone. Okay,
Mm,
but that person doesn't know how to use that mobile phone.
mm.
So what he will do? Hmm, let's
He
say
will
your grandfather has purchased the mobile phone.
he
Okay,
will ask for help, I think.
he will ask for help, right? He will ask you
Yeah.
to explain him, or he will ask you to set up the new
Setting.
applications. He will ask you to download some applications, right?
Yeah,
And he
yeah,
will ask
yeah.
you to explain you to how to use it as well, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So the same thing will real time, the company who is purchasing the software, they will also hire the IT company.
Mm,
Okay, let's say one company want to implement SAP in their organization. So software as a mobile phone doesn't have all the necessary settings that we want, right?
mm.
If I ask you to call me as soon as you purchase the mobile phone, can you call me? No. Why you can't call me? Because that phone doesn't have the information about me. So what you
Yeah,
will do?
yeah,
You will add my number first, and then you can able to call me.
yeah,
You cannot call me as soon as you purchasing the mobile phone because that
yeah.
doesn't have that information. So when
Mm,
anytime you purchase any technology, first you do the configuration using the existing setting because that software it doesn't as per your requirement. So same mobile phone, you will explore the settings, you will add the applications that you need. You will set up those applications as per your requirement. You will add your contacts. You will customize your personalization. You will do like what wallpaper you want, what passwords you want to set up. Okay, like everything you will set up. That process is called as configuration.
mm,
Okay, so the
mm,
functional consultant do configuration using the existing setting.
mm.
I hope I am clear.
Yeah. What is the meaning of configuration?
That process is called as configuration. That setting process is called as configuration.
Okay.
Okay, when you installing the software, when you are setting up the applications, okay, as per
Mm,
your need. Okay, so that process is called configuration.
mm.
Understood?
Yeah, yeah.
There are two methods, configuration and customization. Customization means what?
We will customize according to our needs.
But what is customization?
Yeah, we are asking to implement according to our needs.
Yeah, that is configuration also.
Okay.
I'm asking you about the difference between
I don't
customization
know,
and
sir.
configuration. So when you see any customized car,
Mm.
why you calling that car customized car?
Because we are we are we are implementing it according to our needs and
Yes. So wait.
yeah.
Let me tell you.
Mm.
So basically, let's say you purchase the car. Okay. So
Yeah.
when you purchase the car and it was in the showroom, it was standard. Okay.
Yeah.
It was how? Standard.
Mm.
And if you are using that standard car using the existing features, that is all configuration. Okay.
Okay.
But
Okay.
when you add something from outside, let's say once you purchase the car and you are directly going to the garage and you are changing a lot of things in that car.
Yeah.
Okay.
According to our needs.
According
I
to your
understood.
need. Means you are
Ah.
adding something from outside or you're changing something from the
Yeah.
standard features. That is
Yeah.
called customization.
Okay.
So when our system is also need some customization, means you are adding something from outside with in the standard features. Okay, you are not
Okay.
using the standard feature. You are adding something from outside. That is called customization. So customization needs technical module.
Yeah.
So every module you see here will help you to do the customization. That will help you to manage the activity of changing or adding something, okay, to the
Yeah.
standard features. Let's say our SAP doesn't have one of the screen. Our client want that particular screen to be included in their software. So by using technical module, we can add the screen basically.
Okay.
Okay. If any options are not in the system, okay. So our by using the technical module, we can add the new options. Okay.
Okay.
So ABAP is the technical module. It is a programming language. Do you know coding?
No,
It is,
no.
I am just asking. You might have heard about the word coding, right?
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you know why coding by coding, you can just create something new, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You can create new applications. Same,
Mm,
ABAP is the programming language of SAP. So ABAP
mm,
is used for SAP to create new screen, new features, new options. Okay. Then
mm,
XI means exchange infrastructure. So
mm,
SAP is connected to the lot of servers.
mm,
Okay.
mm.
So what will be the size of the server? How many servers will be needed? Right? All this thing will be managed by XI, exchange infrastructure. Then basis. Basis is the administration, admin module.
Okay.
You know what is admin means?
Yeah.
Tell me, explain me, admin.
Admin means the administration process.
No.
Admin means
Administrative module. I am talking about administrator. So basically, you see WhatsApp admin.
admin administrator.
So what is admin? Look, administrator
Uh,
will control all the activities basically.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
He will hold all the control.
yeah,
Okay. Which person can go to which screen? He can control that. Okay. How much authorization person can have or user can have, that can be managed by basis consultant. Okay,
yeah.
so basis is the administrator module that will admin all the activities that are going in the system. Understood?
Yeah.
Then NetWeaver is the platform. Okay, it is a platform on which software are developed. Okay, so it is a
Okay.
base. Basically NetWeaver is the base where all the new softwares are or can be developed. So SAP is not just having S4 HANA as the software. SAP have a lot of other software
The
also. So
software.
all the softwares are developed on the platform NetWeaver. Understood?
Yeah.
Then BIW, Business Information Warehousing. This is related with the security.
Okay.
So our client is using S4HANA, so that company must be having some confidential data, so that company doesn't want to get tracked or stolen by any other company, or they don't want to share their information with anybody, right? So they want their information to be secure. This BIW module will help you to manage their clients information. Understood? You understood, right?
Yeah.
So that's it is functional and it is technical. You understood the difference between two modules.
Yeah.
Why SAP has been so successful? Because you can use multiple languages. You can use SAP in multiple
Multiple
languages.
languages.
Your information under in the SAP is very much or
Secure.
highly secure. Okay, you can use multiple currencies in SAP. It is a best business practice. Why? Because complete end-to-end process you can do on one system. Okay, that is
Okay.
SAP.
Okay. Mhm.
Starting to the end means A to Z, everything you can do in the SAP only. You don't need to
Mm.
implement other software. Then enterprise wide means whether your business is small, medium, or large, any size of company can implement SAP in their organization. Then
Okay.
real-time processing with integrated suite of client-server application. As I told you, S4HANA is much more fast, much more reliable now compared to other software, and it is more advanced now. Okay, so that's
Okay.
why it is more like reliable to manage your real-time processing. Okay,
Mhm.
so that's why SAP is a market leader in the market. Okay.
Mhm.
Then we just saw this word R3 in the introduction of SAP. Now,
Yeah.
what is R3? So, R3 is the client server architecture. Okay, that is a three-tier architecture which is having three layers, that is presentation layer, application layer, and the database layer. All are
Okay.
installed in the system. So, the server one, that is presentation layer, or a layer one, that is presentation layer, application layer, and server 3 is a database layer. All the three layers are interconnected. So presentation screen or a presentation layer is a layer where user will work with the SAP. It will interact with the database via application. So it will be like this. It is your presentation screen. Okay. It is connected with one application. Okay. Let's say it is
Mm.
application. And this application is connected with one database. So here application is SAP and it is a client screen. So client is using software on their screen, on their presentation
Yeah.
screen. Their screens are
Mm.
connected with the software and software is
Mm.
connected with the database. What is the use
Mm.
of database? To store the data, right?
Okay. Okay.
It will help you to store means you can extract the data and you can import the data. Import means
So
storing.
the first screen is presentation screen, and second is SAP software,
That
and
is
third one
application.
is SAP application, and the third one is database.
Database. So these
Yeah.
are all called as R3.
Okay.
Okay. Presentation layer is the layer where user will work, where we will be working, right?
Mm.
Our and on which application we are working on SAP, that is your application.
Mm.
So any details you store or any details you save, so you will give command to the application to save, right?
Mm. Mm.
To save the data, and where that detail will be saved to the database.
Database.
So this is how the information will flow. So
Mm.
you get connected with the database via application.
Mm. Through
That is what.
application, we are connecting.
So it is basically application is helping you to connect or interact with the database layer or
Okay.
the presentation layer, because they directly
Mm.
cannot connect.
Mm.
Database and presentation directly cannot connect. They cannot directly connect. So the presentations application is helping you to get that communication, establish that communication like this. Okay. So a presentation layer is a layer where user works with the SAP. It interacts with the database via application layer.
Yeah.
An application, it is a interacts between presentation and the
Presentation.
database.
Mm.
Okay, it's the bridge between these two layers.
Mm.
Understood? And the
Yeah.
database is a central database that store all the information from SAP system. Understood?
Mm. Mm.
That is R3.
Mm.
Then we have discussed about customization and configuration. These two words I just explain you,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
Read it.
Configuration is the process of mapping the
Yeah,
entire business process requirement using existing SAP standard features. Customizing is the process of changing or adding something into the SAP standard.
correct.
Yeah,
That is what we discussed. So configuration, who will do? Functional or technical?
functional,
Functional. And
mm,
customization,
technical.
technical. Technical modules.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you will going to use some transaction code in the system.
Mm.
Transaction codes are also called as T code. And T codes are nothing but your shortcut keys, shortcut key or code. Okay. So when anytime you want to go to any screen, so you have two ways. One is a path, another is a T code or transaction code. Okay. So path means following some step, you will ultimately reach to that screen. Or T code is just enter the code and you will directly reach to that screen. Understood? Let me show you.
Can you please repeat it?
Uh,
Can you please repeat it? I was just taking notes.
don't take
So,
a notes. I will share this with you.
okay.
And
Oh,
sessions
can you
will,
please explain that transaction code? T
yeah,
code
yeah,
and it's a
yeah, I'm
shortcut
showing.
key code. Am I right?
Yes. Wait, see here. I told you
Mm.
transaction codes are also called as T code and it
Mm.
is also called as shortcut keys or shortcut code. Okay.
Mm.
All three
Mm.
are same. So
Mm.
there are two ways to go or to reach to any screen. First way is by path
Mm.
and another way is by T code. Path,
Mm.
by just following some steps, you can ultimately reach to that particular screen where you want
Mm.
to run, where you want to work. And T
Mm.
code, by just filling the T code, you can directly reach to that screen. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Practically, I was going to show you. So let's say if you use the code FB50, I just enter the code FB50 here. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
And just press enter. So I can directly reach the screen.
Mm. Mm.
Okay.
That is T code, F50.
That was T code. Yes.
Yeah. Mm.
Now, if you want to come to this screen, so you can have another option by that is by following some steps.
Mm.
This is the path. The steps I follow are called path. It is a
Mm.
path.
Mm.
Understood?
Mm. Mm.
If I enter the code, I can reach the screen by following the path. Again, I can reach the screen.
Mm.
Whatever you feel comfortable, you can use that way.
Okay.
Understood?
Mm.
Yes. These are the other ERP softwares in the market.
Mm.
Oracle, PeopleSoft, Ramco Marshall, Jade Edwards, BAN,
Then
Cyber,
IBM also, no?
Sage, IBM also have their software.
Mm.
Lot of software are there. Fresh, Flask
Mm.
is there. Zoho, right? A lot of softwares are there. Okay, you
Mm.
can see in the market. But
Mm.
more than 90% market is captured by SAP. The
Mm.
reason are before developing SAP, the engineer observes the nature of all the industries across the world and developed a SAP in order to meet all the enterprise requirement. What they are saying,
mm,
before developing SAP, the person who have built the software have observed the or studied the market very
mm,
deeply. So he
mm,
able to find what is the market actually face, what challenges market or what problem market is facing. So he
mm.
developed the software according to meet those challenges, those requirements. So that's why SAP is
Okay.
the market leader in the ERP segment. Okay.
Mm,
Then in SAP we have two different roles. Okay. Either you can become employee. Okay. That I
mm.
will or we will call as a end user.
Okay.
Okay. Or you
Mm,
can become consultant.
mm,
Consultant in IT company.
mm,
Employee in the normal company.
mm,
Normal companies like MRF, C8, okay, like that. Okay,
mm,
where companies already implemented, they are using this software for
mm,
their day-to-day activity. For IT
mm,
companies like TCS,
mm,
Infosys, these are
mm,
the IT companies. Okay,
mm, mm,
so employees or end users will do day-to-day activity.
mm,
Okay,
mm,
end users will use the software.
mm,
And end user will have different job profiles. Like somebody will be accountant, somebody will be auditor, somebody will be analyst, somebody will be what we can say in the account payable department, and
mm,
invoice processing, in account receivable, in bank reconciliation,
mm,
in we can say, or he might be the junior accountant. Okay, like this, there will be
mm,
multiple job profile you will see in the end users.
mm,
Okay, and in
mm,
consultant you see a junior consultant, senior consultant, consultant, associate
mm,
consultant, project
mm,
manager,
mm,
team lead.
mm,
Okay, but all these profile will work on the projects.
mm,
Okay,
mm.
there are different type of projects are also there. That also we are going to discuss in detail. But
Mm.
just you got a clarity, right?
Yeah,
What end user will do, they will use the software.
yeah.
And what consultant will do, they will help user to build that software basically. Okay,
Okay.
like I given
End user, am I right?
end user, END
Mm.
user, end user, employee.
Okay, okay.
Okay, like I given you that mobile example.
Mm,
So if you are helping your grandfather to set up setuping that mobile, so you are the
mm,
consultant there,
mm, mm.
and your grandfather is the end user who is going to use it end of the day.
Okay.
And whenever your grandfather will face the problem while using that mobile, he will again reach you.
Mm,
I am facing this problem. This is not happening. So
mm,
again, you will give them the solution,
mm,
and again he will start using that.
mm,
Okay. So at the start, the process you did, that was implementation. Okay. And after
mm,
that, you are just going to give you the support.
mm,
So implementation is the project. Okay. Support is the
mm,
project.
mm,
Understood. And if
mm,
that mobile is having new update, and your grandfather is asking you to update that to the new upgrade your mobile. Okay, so that is called
mm,
upgradation. This is
mm.
also another project, upgradation project or
Okay.
enhancement project,
Mm,
because software is also having new upgradation after every 4 year. Okay,
mm,
and there is a rollout project is also there.
mm,
Like same way, if your grandfather have another friend, and that friend is also asking you to implement same activity that you did for your grandfather for the
mm.
same model or same mobile.
Then that will be end
So
use.
here what will
Mm,
happen in SAP? Let's say one company who is already using SAP in one location,
mm,
and they have opened another location, they have launched another business in another location. So
mm,
same functionality they want to extend it for the another location. That is
mm,
rollout. So
mm,
how many projects you understood here?
mm,
Implementation project means new implementation, starting
mm,
from zero.
mm,
Support means providing support to the ongoing activity.
mm,
So they should not face any problem. Always
mm,
give the proper maintenance.
mm,
New upgradation means always giving them the software upgrade, enhancing their activity. That is a upgradation
mm,
project or enhancement project.
mm,
Or rollout means if they are having business expansion, if they are adding a new location, new product, or new users, okay, and that also need to be get updated in the what we can say, they need to be get added in the software. So that is a rollout project because you are not going to do it something from zero. So SAP is already implemented there, we are just extend it for the for other users, for other location, or for the other
mm,
department, or
mm,
for the other product. Okay,
mm,
so that are the four projects. So to do this activity, you will work on different softwares, sorry, different servers. Okay,
mm, mm,
these servers are, there are three servers. Okay, development server,
mm,
quality server,
mm,
and the live server, that is also called as production server. Okay,
mm,
so development server is the first server where as a consultant you will work, and as a consultant your activity will be to do customization and the configuration. Customization will be
mm,
done by technical consultant, they will do their job. Configuration will be
mm,
done by functional consultant, they will do their job. So
mm,
that will be done on the development server. This
mm,
is the first server. And after doing this customization and configuration, that will get moved to the next server, that is quality server. So
yeah,
quality server will be used for testing, and after testing it will be used for training.
right,
Okay,
mm, mm,
whatever settings you performed here, that will get moved to the
mm,
quality server for testing and for
mm,
training. After all the things are done,
mm,
then we will hand over that software to the client,
mm,
and here end users will start using the software. That's why it is
mm,
called live server. They will start doing their day-to-day activity and start
mm,
producing the new
mm,
data into day-to-day data. So
mm.
on the development server, who will work?
Development server.
So who will work on the development server? Who will do the customization and configuration?
Customization configuration. And quality server testing and training. Live
But
server,
who will do this?
development server.
Don't give me the name. I'm asking you who will work, who will do this customization and configuration.
The one who developed. uh, I don't understand.
Configuration and customization will be done by consultant.
Okay, 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 okay.
I just give you all the background knowledge to you, right? So
Yeah,
you just
yeah, yeah.
combine it.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Okay, no problem.
Mm.
So now customization is done by technical consultant,
Consultant.
configuration will be done by functional consultant. Functional
Yeah.
consultant are FICO consultant, MM consultant, PP consultant. Those are all functional consultant.
Mm.
Okay. So who will work on the development server?
Consultant.
Consultant. And who will work on the quality server?
I don't know.
Again, consultant.
Okay, okay. Then in case of live server, client,
Yeah, only on the live server
uh,
end user will work,
end user, yeah.
because we have to, here I have written training also. So we have to
Mm,
train them, right? How to use the software, because they doesn't know how to use it. So we have to
mm,
train them as well.
mm, mm,
Okay. So after giving training, they will start using the software. So
Okay.
that is a called live server or a production server where they will do their day-to-day transactions.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Yes. So this was the three server. How many servers are there? Development, quality, production.
Production.
It is also called live.
Mm.
So I think for today it is enough. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
Already lot of details we have discussed. Okay.
Mm.
So for first session to process it, it is
Mm.
enough. Okay.
The
Today,
first section is only about theory part.
sorry.
The first section is only about theory
Yeah,
part.
first two sessions will be theory. Then
Mm.
we'll do the practical on the software.
Okay.
Because you should know, right, how to, what is the meaning, everything that you should know. Once all,
How it is working in the software, whether I have to download, I don't know what.
no. You don't
Oh,
need to download anything. ACT will share the software with you. I will
okay,
explain you, or on the what we can say on in the mail also. You will
okay.
see the steps there. Okay. So you
What?
don't need to do anything. I will explain. If you don't understand the step, I will explain.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yes.
I just found a course known as SAP HANA on Azure, and then it's Microsoft something Azure, no?
What are
Azure,
you saying?
Azure,
Just
or A is the URE. Azure, think that's the pronunciation.
what are you saying?
Uh, I have just found a course known as SAP HANA on Azure.
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 Okay.
Is it good to enroll in that course?
Again, I didn't get you. Is it what?
Is it good to enroll in that course?
No. That those are all different. Okay.
That's a
What we are
1 hour
doing.
class. That's why I asked.
Sorry.
That's a 1 hour class. That's why I asked. It's,
That is
that's a 1 hour class.
1 hour class. Yes.
So is it good to enroll in it?
Only it is 1 hour session.
Yeah,
In 1 hour, the syllabus will be completed.
yeah.
No, don't enroll for that.
Okay, okay.
It must be some advanced thing for a small configuration. So if you
Hmm.
don't know any basic thing, don't
It will
enroll for
be
that. Okay.
okay, okay.
So first, let just complete this course first. Because
Hmm.
if you go and learn this advanced thing, you don't remember, you don't get it actually. You will not get it.
Okay.
So first, let us just complete the syllabus first.
Hmm.
After developing that understanding for the software, then you can explore for the other advanced activities.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So what you do, just I think you should just create one Skype account. Okay.
Okay, okay.
I will share the link and you
Hmm.
just send me hi on the Skype.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Do it by before tomorrow's session, and from tomorrow we'll connect on Skype only.
Okay, okay.
Okay, because Zoom I don't prefer it comfortable. So
Okay,
just Skype, you download it. Download in your
okay.
mobile, download in your laptop.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Can I ask a doubt?
So yeah, ask me.
I don't know how to face the interview.
Yeah, that also we'll discuss. No?
I have no much experience about it.
Yeah, that also we'll discuss.
Okay,
You will get the confidence at the end of the syllabus.
okay,
Don't worry about it.
okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Mm. Thank you,
Just
sir.
practice every day. Once you get
Okay,
the server access, practice every day. At least give three, 2 to 3 hours daily. After accepting
after this
session.
call session, I have to practice it for 2 3 hours.
Yeah, at least for 2 hours you should practice.
Okay, okay. I will do it.
Repetitive.
I'm not free. I'm free now, so I can
Yeah.
do it.
Okay.
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 Then if any day if I'm not available, so what will?
Message on the group. Okay, I'm not available today. I'm not
Okay,
joining.
okay,
That's
okay,
okay.
okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Uh,
I will also message you on the group when I'm not available. Okay.
okay, okay,
Yeah. Just message me before 1 hour or 2 hour, not just immediate. Okay.
okay, okay.
So just at least you should inform me before 2 hours or 1 hour. I will
Mm-hmm.
also inform you accordingly. So then we can plan, right? We will not
Mm-hmm.
understand.
Okay. Hello?
Any? Yeah, yeah. Any other question?
No, no, no.
No? Okay. So
Okay.
just add me on your Skype.
Then
Okay.
can I ask one more doubt?
Yeah, ask me.
IT or the normal company is more, which company is better? IT or normal?
IT company is better.
Okay.
Yes.
I have interest in joining in SAP, Amazon, Google, etc.
No, no, no. They don't use SAP.
Pardon me?
They don't use SAP.
Google.
Google don't use SAP.
Okay. Amazon also?
Amazon also don't use.
Okay. Visual companies use SAP.
Uh,
Visual companies use SAP.
and AWS means Amazon have their own product. Google have their own product.
Okay.
Google have their own services. Amazon have their own services. That's why they don't use SAP. They will be using their own services. But other companies like Tata, Mahindra, Infosys, Reliance, C8, MRF, all companies uses SAP.
Okay. Okay.
Understood?
Understood. Understood.
Yeah.
Mm. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, rest we will discuss tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
I
Thank
have
you.
shared the link on the group.
Uh,
Just when you create your Skype, just add me and send hi.
okay. Okay. Thank you
Okay.
so
And
much.
from tomorrow we'll connect on the Skype.
Okay.
Just don't start the call. Just send me hi every day. Okay. Whenever
Okay.
you join at the time, just always send hi. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Chalo.
Uh,
It
uh,
is a kind of a like a WhatsApp. Okay.
okay.
What I will do just like this, you will just send me hi every day. Okay. That's it.
Mm-mm.